everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US Dollar FX for Monday, October 15, 2012. Well, a change of trend to the downside today. The candle that we're analysing is the second last candle on the chart, and a candle with a lower high and a lower low. The previous day's trading, we saw the market test back up to the 129.68 level of resistance, test 2 there and be strongly rejected from there, and today we've seen confirmation of that change of trend. This candle, however, does not highlight the swing of momentum to the sellers. We've actually seen the buyers take control of the market today by trading up above the midpoint level and between the midpoint level and the high. So the buyers have taken control, moderate amount of control, not terribly strong, and the buyers did lose commitment as they tested to that 129.68 level, but by the same token, the sellers lost a lot of commitment when they tested down to the 129 level and just below there. So on balance, though, the buyers have taken control, so there is a possibility we could see a change of trend back to the upside. At the moment, the market has tested above the 129.68 level and has been rejected from there, so a level that's been tested on very many occasions and has held as resistance. So it'll be important to see how the market reacts to that level. Now, we do have a trend line that's been drawn previously, and here we've seen the trend line hold here, establishment of a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. That will be an important area if the market does trade down, and this trend line as we move on will interact with this 128.57 level of support, so that will be important, and it will highlight a lessening of the momentum of this very strong uptrend that the market's been in. But over the previous week, we did see the market take out this lighter blue coloured higher time frame or faster time frame trend, and suggested that the market was headed for lower levels. Having said that, however, we saw the market find support at that 128.57 level, and that will be a very important level of support. Below there we have this larger zone of support, now coinciding roughly with an area just above the cloud, and it will be an important level if the market does trade off over the next few days. Will become less important as we move forward, because the cloud will actually start interacting with where the market's trading, so that will be a much more important area. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the current first time frame downtrend that the market's now moved into and its relationship to the previous time the market was trending down, and here we've seen strong rejection from below the 38.2% level in a very decisive way, a very large shadow on the bottom of this candle, and the buyers coming in strongly as the market traded down around there. It does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend to the upside. And looking at the Fibonacci retracement of the prior uptrend, and here we've seen the market test exactly to the 61.8% level and be rejected from there, so that also suggests that there is potential for the market to make a higher high and a higher low and to trade to higher levels. In terms of Ichimoku, we're maintaining a bullish market in the long-term time frame by trading up above the cloud. We had a strong bullish breakout down below this 125.86 level quite some time ago in August, and we've seen the market trade substantially higher, but the market maintains its position above that cloud or the Kumo, and suggests that we have a bullish market in the longer term time frame. The market has been trading above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen for quite a period of time here. The pink line is the Kijun Sen, represents the trend in the medium-term time frame, and the market is trading just at there. We've seen the Kijun Sen hold a support, and even for the previous day's trading it held as support for this market, and we're now trading just at that level, so technically we don't have any direction in the medium-term time frame, and that could be important. If we do see a strongly bearish close down below there, then there is potential for the market to trade to lower levels and perhaps quickly interact down here with the 128.57 level, and even test down to this grey shaded area around the 127.50 level. In terms of the short-term time frame, the market is trading just at the Tenkan Sen as well, so no direction in that short-term time frame as well. We have been trading down below there, a very soft close up above there, suggesting that the buyers closing above there wasn't a very strong move, and here we've seen the market trading at that level, so that will be important. If we can see the buyers come back into this market as suggested by the Fibonacci techniques, there is potential for the market to turn bullish in all three time frames and perhaps test to higher levels. If we do see that happen, and not suggesting that it will. We do have very strong resistance overhead here at this 129.68 level, but if we do see it happen, we have a resistance at the 130.25 level, up at the 130.79 level, and then at the top of the trend channel here, coinciding roughly with this 131.45 level. So a neutral market in the faster time frames, maintaining a bullish market in the long-term time frame. There is strong potential for the market to trade to higher levels, but we do have very strong support down below, extending down to the 128.57 area and just below there.